Alright, so PWD, we talked about that, which is the present working directory. If you want to change your path to something different, you can actually go ahead and do, you can specify your own path, wherever you want to have your path, and you can actually save the file or import the file, basically change the IO to that particular location. So for example, I was not happy with this PWD, so I can say users are Pandi desktop classes, for example. If you want, you can actually go ahead and do that, right? So you can have your own path defined and save the file directly there, yeah?